Hey YouTubers, Greg with Bright Spots here, coming to you with a how to take the smell of cats out of your basement. Stay tuned, got some really cool stuff coming your way. See ya. It's got a normal door. We're going to do some renovations to this door to give you a sight of what's on the other side of this. We're going to start by taking the hinges off this door. We're going to get this door right out of this door jamb. Hey guys, now that the door is off the door jamb, we got it off the hinges, we are now going to do something really awesome to allow the cats to get to the litter boxes. Greg with Bright Spots here. Got some exciting stuff I'm working on. At least I think it's exciting stuff. If you're watching this video, you are tuning in to see how I'm taking the cat smell out of our basement living room and moving it into the unfinished basement. Doing something I've never done before, so hopefully this is really cool and works out. We are putting in a cat door. That bad boy. So tune in and let's learn something. See ya. Okay, YouTubers, Greg with Bright Spots back again. Wanted to show you after cutting out the hole in the door there. So that's where we're at. There's the piece. There's the tools I used, skill saw and a jigsaw. Easy peasy. Stay tuned for some more. Hey guys, we're back. Greg with Bright Spots here, and I'm going to show you that's what she looks like. 19 bucks at Amazon. Real simple, skill saw, jigsaw, and I did have to break out my DeWalt drill because there's 4 screws on this side and 4 screws on the other side. But this thing is pretty awesome. Right now it's set to hold still, but you can open it, or if you lift it back up and push the red button this way, it actually holds it still. So pretty cool cat door. Holds up to 25 pounds, or rather 25-pound cat can go through there. We have a Maine Coon, so this should be interesting. Check it out when I have it installed. Thanks for watching.
Come here. Let it go. Come here. Come here. Hey.
Come on, girl. Matty girl. Come on, Matty girl. Come on, girl. Hey guys, Greg with Bright Spots back. Wanted to show you the finished product installed on the hinges. Looks pretty amazing. No one's used it yet, but she's installed. Yay, Charlie! Hey everyone, Greg with Bright Spots here. Just want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching that video on the cat door. Pretty cool. First time ever doing it, but we love it. Cats love it, dog loves it. Door can stay shut now. And best of all, the smell is out of the basement. So yeah, got any comments on it? Any ways that you see I could be doing things better, or with that particular video installing the cat door? 19 bucks on Amazon. How do you beat that? But yeah, check out the channel. Give me some comments. Don't forget to subscribe, please. We're on our way to 1,000, so I appreciate everybody. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Talk to you.